Hi everyone, my name is Saad Javed and I just attended the KFI program and I got a lot of insights on the way to manage my money. I highly encourage all students all around to attend this program to get a better understanding of how the world works and how to better manage your money. Thank you.
Hey, my name is Marina. I attended the KFI Global workshop about money management and it was really informative. It gave new insight on how you can make wise decisions regarding money, and I highly recommend that more universities and academics have such workshops to manage money better. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Farsina. I'm doing my Masters in Interior Architecture in the university. I just completed attending the Money Management program by KFI Global. It was quite a fun session. The lecturer was very interactive and fun. It gave quite good insights on how to manage your money from a young, when you start right after your graduation, and different options of how to make good decisions, smart money making decisions. It was very good. I highly recommend it to everyone. Thank you.
Hi everyone, I'm Suhani and I really enjoyed today's KFI program. I think it gave me the confidence to understand and even manage money better, and I don't feel as insecure thinking about money anymore.
Hi, my name is Dhruv Ganatra and I just attended the KFI Global Management Workshop, and I learned a lot about managing money and how to learn from mistakes everyone else has made. And I recommend more and more students to attend the program and get the most out of it, and I'm sure it will benefit you in the future. Thank you.